A wonderful morning to everyone. I feel awesome to see you all again today in this class. How are you all? I know you all be well and stay in good health. Class 3. For today's class, I have an interesting topic to discuss with. That is money. Let's get started. In this class, we will be discussing deeply about the forms of money. Rupees and paise. Rupees can be either in the form of a paper notes or coins, and a coin can be a rupee as well as paise. Though paise doesn't exist mostly nowadays, but the value of paise is used as digital values. It plays a significant role in the ancient and modern times. Look at the picture of paise. Remember children, 1 rupee is equal to
100 paise.
By knowing this, we are going to convert the following rupees into paise. 1 rupee is equal to
100 paise.
2 rupees is equal to
200 paise.
3 rupees equal to
300 paise.
4 rupees equal to
400 paise.
5 rupees is equal to
500 paise.
6 rupees is equal to
600 paise.
7 rupees is equal to
700 paise.
8 rupees equal to
800 paise.
9 rupees is equal to
900 paise.
10 rupees is equal to
1000 paise.
Very good children. We know that 1 rupee is equal to
250 paises.
Learning
Addition and subtraction of money.
Adding and subtracting money is same as adding and subtracting numbers, except that we place a dot to differentiate rupees and paise. Children, let us add the following. We use RS to write rupees and P to write paise. Look at the first question. 35 rupees 20 paise plus 20 rupees 20 paise. What is 0 plus 0?
0.
2 plus 2?
4.
Place dot in the center. Then 5 plus 0?
5.
3 plus 2?
5.
The answer is 55 rupees 40 paise. Look at the second question. 440 rupees 40 paise plus 440 rupees 40 paise. What is 0 plus 0?
0.
4 plus 4?
8.
Place a dot in the center. Then 0 plus 0?
0.
4 plus 4?
8.
Again 4 plus 4?
8.
Now the answer is 880 rupees 80 paise. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Look at the first one. 20 rupees 20 paise minus 10 rupees 10 paise. What is 0 minus 0?
0.
2 minus 1?
1.
Place a dot in the center. Again 0 minus 0?
0.
2 minus 1?
1.
Now the answer is 10 rupees 10 paise. Look at the second question. 820 rupees 80 paise minus 110 rupees 20 paise. What is 0 minus 0?
0.
8 minus 2?
6.
Place a dot in the center. Then 0 minus 0 is?
0.
2 minus 1?
1.
What is 8 minus 1?
7.
Now the answer is 710 rupees 60 paise.
Usage of addition and subtraction of money in everyday situation.
Look at the first question. Sengode bought a school bag for 210 rupees 30 paise and a sports shoe for 260 rupees 20 paise. Find the amount to be returned by the shopkeeper if she has paid 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. Step 1. Cost of a school bag is equal to
210 rupees 30 paise.
cost of a sports shoe is equal to
260 rupees 20 paise.
now we are going to add this two. Total cost is equal to
470 rupees 50 paise.
Step 2. Amount she paid is equal to
500 rupees.
total cost we found is equal to
470 rupees 50 paise.
now we are going to subtract this 2. Children, what is 0 minus 0? Yes, 0. Look at here. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No. What do? We have to regroup from nearby. The tens place is 0. Hundreds place is also 0. Thousands place is also 0. So, we have to carry over from 5. Hence, the number 0 became 10. Now tell me, what is 10 minus 5? Yes, 5. Place a dot in the center. 9 minus 0 is 9. Again 9 minus 7 is 2. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Now, what is the answer?
29 rupees 50 paise.
Look at the second question. Kumaran's father asked him to get a change for rupees 200 from his uncle. If his uncle gave him a 100 rupee note and a 50 rupees note, how much more his uncle has to give him? Shall we do it? Step 1. Uncle gave 100 rupee notes. 50 rupee notes. We are going to add it. Total amount given by uncle is
150 rupees.
Step 2. Amount given by his father is equal to rupees 200. Amount given by his uncle is equal to rupees 150. Here we are going to subtract. Amount his uncle has to give is, children, what is 0 minus 0? Yes, 0. Look at here. Can we subtract 5 from 0? We cannot subtract 5 from 0. What do? We have to regroup from the nearby. Hence, the number 0 become 10. Now tell me, what is 10 minus 5? Yes, it is 5. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Now the answer is
50 rupees.
I hope you all have understood, children. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.